In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cache coding in Xero. Cache coding is a powerful way to reconcile lots of bank transactions quickly and consistently, and it's especially helpful when you've got a backlog or a busy month to tidy up. Start on your Xero dashboard. From the main menu, open the accounting section, then head into bank accounts. You'll see a list of all the bank and credit card feeds you've set up. Choose the specific account you want to work on, so you're only looking at the transactions relevant to that account. Once you're in the account, switch to the cache coding view. This screen lays out your unreconciled statement lines in a tidy spreadsheet-style grid. You'll typically see columns for the date, payee or contact, reference, description, the account code you want to post to, the tax or GST VAT rate, and any tracking categories your organization uses. Think of this as your command center for bulk coding. Before selecting anything, scan the list for patterns. Similar suppliers, repeating subscriptions, or regular transfers can often be coded the same way. If you see a batch that clearly belongs to the same expense account and tax rate, click the checkbox to the left of each of those transactions to select them. If everything on the page needs the same treatment, you can use the top checkbox to select the whole set in one go. Just make sure each line genuinely belongs in the same category and tax setting. Accuracy now saves cleanup later. With your lines selected, fill in the coding fields right in the grid. Choose the correct account code, confirm the right tax rate, and add a clear description or contact if needed. Xero lets you type to search accounts, so you don't have to scroll through long charts. Take a moment to double check amounts and payees while you're here. Small corrections are fastest to make before reconciling. When everything looks good, click Save and Reconcile selected. Xero will post those transactions to the ledger and move them out of the unreconciled list. If you spot something you'd like to tweak afterward, don't worry, you can undo and re-reconcile from the account's transaction view, but it's best to aim for clean, accurate coding the first time. That's the core workflow. Open accounting, go to bank accounts, pick your account, jump into cache coding, select the relevant transactions, and finish with Save and Reconcile selected. Use this process regularly and you'll keep your books tidy, your reporting accurate, and your month end much smoother.